welcome to your business news update. I am Aniya Shukar. Today, the Nigerian stock market records heavy losses. The IMF raised concerns over the growing use of stablecoin in the country, and Guinea-Bissau partners with Nigerian airline to launch its national carrier. Meanwhile, on the international scene, global oil prices retreat in easing geopolitical tension. Starting at home, the domestic capital market closed on a bearish note as the Nigerian stock market lost more than 1 trillion naira in the market capitalization. The heavy drop came as investors sold off banking and other large capital stocks. Data from the Nigerian Exchange Group showed that market capitalization declined from approximately 156.97 trillion to 155.99 trillion, with the banking and oil sectors leading the losses. Market analysts say investors are closely watching economic indicators and upcoming corporate earnings as signals on the market's next direction. Still on domestic economy and digital finance, the International Monetary Fund has warned that increasing use of US dollar-pegged stablecoins in Nigeria could weaken demand for the naira and complicate the country's monetary policy. According to the IMF, more Nigerians are turning to stablecoins for cross-border payments because of their speed and lower transaction costs. However, the fund cautioned that if the trend continues unchecked, it could reduce the effectiveness of monetary policies and pose new challenges for financial stability in Africa's largest economy. Moving from finance to aviation, Guinea-Bissau has signed an agreement with United Nigeria Airlines to establish its national carrier, to be known as Air Bissau under the agreement. The Nigerian airline will provide operational support, aircraft and management expertise to kickstart the new airline. The development is being seen as a major boost for Nigeria's aviation industry and could strengthen regional air connectivity and economic cooperation across West Africa. And finally, on the international scene, global oil prices have eased as earlier spikes triggered by tension in the Middle East, with Brent crude trading around $80 per barrel. Analysts say the airline could provide relief to fuel importing countries with lowering energy costs and easing inflationary pressures. For Nigeria, lower global oil prices may support cheaper petrol prices domestically, although prolonged decline could also affect government oil revenues in the long run.